Today marks exactly 1 year since discovering Neville's teachings. I knew about Law of Assumption before, but not from Neville. That's why I wanted to write this little story to share and reflect on all the things that changed in a year. Last year on this very same day, I was mind blown, trying to remove clouds, to change my hand's shape, making potatoes and eggs bigger or smaller. LOL. I was measuring and taking notes of everything. It was such an experience, like a child that finally found out he has so many toys to play with. Back then, I was single. I had a 9-to-5 job. I was sharing a flat with my roommate. I had bipolar and I had some of the worst belief systems ever. Then I was blessed with this knowledge, and now looking back, I find it so hard to believe that all that was just a year ago. So here goes a list of my major success stories. Financially, I no longer work for anyone and now have my own business. I manifested lump sums of money several times on several occasions. I now live in a house that my year ago self couldn't even adore of it. Love life and relationships. I got my man back. We got engaged shortly after that and we recently got married. My relationship with my family has never been better. I had a bullying cousin that used to turn my life to HLL. Now, she became so sweet. She comes to me for advice. It's like a totally new person. I am treated well wherever I go. I enter any shop, any place, and people literally drop whatever they are doing and come to assist me. My relationships with everyone are built on respect and being nice in general. Health. This is my major highlight. I no longer have bipolar, no more pills, no more depression, no more craziness. I became normal, something that I never thought I would ever experience. My life is so smooth now. No more ups and downs, no more suffering. It might sound like nothing to you guys, but to me this is the biggest thing ever, bigger than the SP, than the money, than everything. Manifestation. Yes, I manifested becoming a master at manifesting. The most recent success of this was around 2 weeks ago when I finally became able to manifest for someone else. I helped my friend get back with her guy. I had a major block on manifesting for others before, and I am so proud that I finally removed it and unleashed my full power. And I of course manifested hundreds of other things down the road, from trips, to gifts, to my man doing exactly what I wanted without me even asking for it. Life is really amazing. Maybe these don't seem too big, but to me it's life-changing. I was someone and I became a completely different person. It also didn't happen in a day, so patience and persistence are important. Now, I am starting to manifest for the next year. I know we shouldn't share our manifestations, but I will take the challenge because I want this video to be a reminder for me. Here are the following things I am planning. Health. Getting rid of arthritis. A healthy pregnancy with a baby boy that looks exactly like his dad. Relationships. Having more friends. Being very happy with my husband and having no fights or arguments. Finances and achievements. Making money from something I love. Writing a book. Doing something meaningful that would touch people's lives in a positive way. And that's all from me. I hope you guys have awesome successes of your own, and I hope this video motivates the new joiners. Remember, it didn't happen in a day. It took time, but it ended up happening. Just persist and be patient. Happy manifesting. Do subscribe if you like this video.